The origin and definition of emotion. Just before looking at the origin and meaning along with 4 sentence examples, here's a quick reminder. Continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, then the bell icon, and then all. The word emotion originates in the Latin emovere, meaning to move out, agitate. The English word comes from the French émouvoir, to stir up, to move. In the 17th century, it came to have the sense of strong feeling, and by the 19th century, it was applied to any feeling. So, emotion, the noun, the definition, a feeling relating to circumstances, mood, or relationships, a mental state which comes spontaneously rather than through conscious effort or reasoning. Then there's the adjective emotional. Definition, affected by emotion, expressive of emotion, a characteristic of emotion. Let's look at some examples. The first picture shows a couple embracing in the rain. Sentence example, researchers say romantic love is one of the most powerful emotions a person can experience. Next, in the picture, we see a young boy peering out from behind a door, looking scared. Sentence example, fear is a strong emotion we experience during childhood, which can continue into adult life with detrimental consequences. Next, we see an old photograph from World War II Britain. Sentence example, this picture of a woman drinking tea while sitting on a pile of rubble in Britain during World War II is a perfect example of the stiff upper lip. Note, stiff upper lip has been traditionally used for British people who remain resolute and stoic without any expression of emotion when facing extreme difficulties. A sign of fear is trembling of the upper lip, so the opposite, a stiff upper lip, indicates a person is controlling their emotions. Next, the picture shows a woman's eye filled with tears. Here's a sentence example of the adjective. As a migrant worker, she always became quite emotional when she spoke about her little girl back in her home country. So remember, although the word emotion has its roots in the idea of movement and agitation being stirred up, the more modern meaning is a feeling or spontaneous mental state. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.